Good morning, students. Today in S.St. we will go through chapter 3, that is movement of the earth. This is the new chapter. In it I'll explain you about rotation and the effect of rotation. Earlier people thought that the earth was in the middle and the other planets used to rotate. But then the explorers and all, they proved that the sun is in the middle and other planets rotate around it, revolve. So what is rotation? The other planets rotate around the earth, around the sun, and on a definite path called an orbit. So we will go through this, and the effect of rotation. It causes day and night. The part facing the sun is day and the other side is night. Then when it rotates, then the other side becomes day and the day one becomes night. So this we will talk. I'll explain you about it. Okay. So students, this is the chapter 3, the movement of the earth. Now, there was a time when the earth was considered to be the center of the universe. Earlier, what did the people thought? That the earth is the center of the universe and the other planets, including the sun, were thought to be moving around it. We now know that the sun is at the center of the solar system and all the planets, including our earth also, revolve around the sun in a definite path called the orbit. See, this is the orbit. This is the definite path. And the earth also rotates on its axis continuously. It continuously rotates. We will now study in detail these two movements of the earth and their effects. So what is rotation? The movement of the earth on its axis is called rotation. The movement of the earth, see, this is the earth and this is the axis. So when the earth rotates on its axis, it is called rotation. The earth rotates from west to east. The earth's axis is tilted at the angle of 66.5 degree. It is not straight, it is little bit tilted, 66.5 degree. And the earth takes about 24 hours or 1 day to complete one rotation. It takes 24 hours, that means 1 day to complete one rotation. Okay. Now what is the effects of rotation? The rotation of the earth on its axis causes day and night. I told you that the earth facing the sun is day and the other side is night. So the side of the earth that faces the sun has day while the opposite side has night. As the earth rotates on its axis, the two sides of our planet face the sun and go away from it alternately, because this is rotating on its axis. So day, night, day, night. Then the tilt of the earth is always in the direction of the pole star. The tilt of the earth is always in the direction of a pole star. This tilt, halka tircha, this tilt causes the day to be longer in summer and shorter in winter. This tilt causes the days to be longer in summer. That is why we have longer days in summer and shorter days in winter. Since the earth rotates from west to east, we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. Because the earth rotates from west to east, so we see the sun rising in the east and setting in the west. So students, today we have gone through rotation and the effects of rotation. Then tomorrow we will go with revolution and the effect of revolution. Now the diagram which you are going to make is the rotation of the earth and the movement of the earth around the sun. Both this diagram you will make it. Okay. You will make this diagram also in your S.St. copy and color it with pencil color and label it with black pen. And this also, pencil color, you will color it and label it with black pen. Okay. So first you will do these two diagrams in your S.St. copy, then further we will do the other diagrams also. So now today this is clear about the movement of the earth, what is rotation, what the earlier people thought, and what is the effect of rotation. The effect of rotation is day and night. So you will go through this reading of the chapter so that it is clear to you. Okay. Thank you.